Gisselle.
I had no idea they gave going away parties for people joining the military. Oh, weird. Oh, dang. Police broke it up. What's up, guys? I am in Istanbul by the waterfront here, and I was looking for some food and just happened upon this. Who knows what that's all about? But I'm about to try this corn on the cob, which I know is good, but I've been wondering what this is, so I'm going to buy some and try it out. What is this yours? What is this?
Chestnut.
Chestnut?
Chestnut.
Ah, okay. I thought that might be. So how many? Do you just buy one or a bag?
100 gram, 20 lira, you know.
Okay.
150.
Yeah, just the smallest amount. Yeah, 20. And I'll also have a corn on the cob.
One, two.
One. Yeah, just me. Me. Come on. Do you know what's happening? What's going on here?
Little.
Yeah, sorry, my Turkish is very little.
Asker.
Huh?
Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier, yes.
Oh, finished. We're going.
Go.
Oh, he's going. Wow, okay. Teşekkürler. All right, so you heard it from him. It sounds like it's a going away party for a guy going into the military, from what I'm gathering. And these are chestnuts. And I ordered a corn on the cob as well. I'm hungry, so yeah. Yes, thank you.
Chestnut.
Yeah, that would be great. I had no idea they gave going away parties for people joining the military, if I understood that correctly. Alright guys, let's try out these chestnuts. Oh. See how it tastes. I don't know if I've ever even had a chestnut. How do you eat it? Obviously take this off. Like this? Oh, weird. Not the chicken. Lala. I don't like perfume. You are. USA.
US, oh good. How much? This duty free black market, Coq Chanel, Dior Savage.
I don't like Chanel. Thank you.
$25.
100% no. Nah, man. Good luck. This is like sweet. Interesting. That's good. I saw them everywhere. All right. Well, you get a little bag for 20. And the corn was 12. So I'm gonna eat that. You guys don't really need to watch that. I know it's good. It's corn. Everyone's had it. So, but yeah. Let's keep wandering. I'm gonna go explore other areas of the city. And I thought I'd just film this really quick. I'll see you guys later. Oh dang, police broke it up. Ruining the party, always.